With the cook fire.
Hi stars! Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
How have you guys been? Hope you guys are doing well. Long time no see.
I know, right? Please, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share. Thank you.
Okay, so stars, today we are going to be showing you how to make frittata.
Yes, it's a very simple dish that you can eat with your family and friends. It's very easy.
Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so we are done with making the frittata and it's testing time.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's dive right into it. Ooh.
With the cook fire.
Really yummy.
It's almost like pizza, guys. Try this out. You love it.
So nice.
Thanks, guys, for watching up to this point. Please do well to like,
Subscribe, share. Thank you.
see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.